Hi guys, and welcome to today's Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video I'm going to go through Pound Oz. I like the buying opportunities here. I'm going to explain why I like the buying opportunities here and how two different approaches you could have taken to execute on this position. So I've actually took two positions on this. One was the break above the daily highs, and the second trade is a 15-minute time frame intraday trade. So I'll show you both and then go from there. So our position on end of day is a break above this high here, stop loss below this low there, targeting that 187 area. Okay, so that is the daily time frame, which is just pretty much triggered now. And why do I want to be involved with this market? Well, I like to use strength and weakness analysis. So you can see here my strength and weakness table, it says that the pound is gaining value into +5, +1 on the week, and the Australian dollar is losing value. So what that means is pound is likely to be stronger than the Australian dollar this week. And the way we can tell that on our chart is by looking at the trend. Is the market making higher highs? Well, yes it is, because we made this formation here and then we broke out and formed a new high. So technically we have a higher high. So what I'm looking for then is price to come back into this level and then move in line with that potential trend. We took a position on this last week off of this candlestick. Unfortunately we got taken out, but the market looks to be setting up again, and I do like the opportunity here to buy pound Aussie. So essentially the market has come back, retested this structure high. So what I like to do then is dive down into the 4-hour time frame, or what I should say is I like to look at those daily closes, nice bullish closes, right? So I'm expecting that daily time frame to push to the upside. My next step is to go to the 4-hour, and I want the trend to match up with my daily time frame. Okay, and you've heard me spoke about this before, but the trend is our friend. The 4-hour time frame I really like to follow, and we can see here the market double bottoms. So this morning I looked for the market to basically pull back and retest this structure in here. So if you actually go and place a rectangle here as a support level between the high and the bodies of the candlesticks, just through there, what I then wait for is price to come back to this level and then execute my order on a 15-minute time frame. And how I do that is by looking for another change in cycle. So what I'm essentially doing is stacking up the trend. So the daily is in an uptrend, the 4-hour is in an uptrend, and the 15-minute is now starting to uptrend. So what I like to do here, when price comes back into my level of support, look for those changes in cycle, and we can see the market starts bouncing round, and then boom, breaks this high in here. So I look for the long position there, and what that looks like is a long order here. Stop loss is 5 pips below the low, so it's around about 34 pip stop loss. Target 2R. Okay, always look for that 2-to-1 sort of trading opportunities on lower time frame moves. So this is the current position on the 15-minute time frame. Really simple way to enter a market, and it's all you're doing is stacking up the trend. So just to go over that quickly again, daily time frame is making higher highs. Why do I want to be in this market in the first place? Well, the currency strength and weakness table is suggesting that I buy this market. Daily time frame is bullish. It's formed a new high. It's retested previous high structure. Next step is the 4-hour in an uptrend. Well, it has now, because it's changed trend. It's broken this double bottom high. The market then, I want to see it come back into this level, and then the 15-minute agree with that. The 15-minute came into the level, then agreed with it, bought the market, stops below the lows, target to our return. So there's a couple of different ways you could have traded pound Aussie there, but pound Oz trend to the upside looks good. Really still like the weekly time frame on this, the fact that it was in that oversold condition, expecting some further upside on this, looking for that 186 sort of area to come into play on this. You can see that just through here, really big level through there on pound Oz, expecting that to continue. Pound strongest currency last week as well, really adding to some buying of the pound going into this week. So keep an eye on that. I do like this market a lot. The other option you can wait for if you're not involved with this trade or this market is wait for that trend to continue. So now we're back at these highs. If the market breaks out, pulls back, and then again go to that 15-minute time frame, look for that change in cycle, look to buy the market in line with our trend. Thanks for watching this video update, and I'll catch you in the next one.